right, you see it. Back at Audi, but I'm smiling this time. Key. Oh, I missed you. Oh, I missed you. They even gave you a number. 778. Car cover. Definitely can retire that. Let's go. You missed me. What up, world? Welcome back to Skinny's World. You see me grinning. You see me grinning. The Batmobile is back. The Batmobile is back. Parts came in a lot faster than I thought. Let's see, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 5 days. Beat the 7-day mark. I honestly thought it was going to be 13 days because they say 7 to 10. Europe, Germany. Woo! You don't think it's going to come that quick, but it came early. So, I'm driving the Batmobile off the lot right now, and I'm grinning. It does shift better though. Well, I will tell you this. Definitely shifts way better. Even before the tune, it's pretty smooth right now. I'm not gonna lie. Haven't got able to go over 4,000 RPM to see how different it feels without the tune, because putting in the new TCM, it did delete the tune, so I'll have to get it retuned again. But for now, I'm just enjoying having the Batmobile back. Tell you what, I'm so excited. So excited because it came way earlier, at least a week earlier than I thought. I honestly thought I wasn't gonna get it back until like the 14th, 15th, just because where the part had to come from. But I'll tell you what, guys, it feels good to be back in the Bat. Side note, this cop just drove right by me and I was filming with the exhaust on. You can catch him up there a little bit. Oh, he still screams. Woo! He definitely roars. So we'll see when I get on the freeway. I'm about to get on the entrance right now. What that tune is like, or no tune is like. Yeah, so after having on the freeway for a little bit, I definitely noticed the difference without the tune. I feel cheated. Like I feel like I'm cheated without the tune. Like I need it back on the car. It just shifts way smoother, a lot more aggressive, and it just sounds better. I mean, so that is definitely going back on the car. But like I said before, I'm just excited to have the Batmobile back earlier than expected. So now it's back to enjoying my everyday skinnyism. Yerb. Only downside is my pocket is hurting a little bit. I mean, I'll survive, but there's been some damage done to my wallet. About $3,000 worth. There's definitely some damage done. I'm just smiling. Filthy. Ooh, you need a bath. Dirty. Dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Alright guys, as you can see, bam! Can I get a round of applause? Yes, the Batmobile is back. Back and earlier and better than ever. Ooh. Back in action again. Earlier than expected. First thing I need to do, he needs to get a bath because it was outside for a good day and a half before I got the car cover. So it is dirty. So I gotta get the Batmobile a bath. Then I'm gonna get that tune put back on because it is definitely riding slow and not quick like it was before. Unfortunately, when they took the TCM out, the tune obviously got erased and went away, so it's back to stock. So I'm gonna have to head back up to AW Designs, get that tune put back on. After that, I'm gonna hit my boys back up at MFR and start doing that custom work that I was looking forward to do before the Batmobile took a dump. So those are my plans. Then we'll get back to some more car vlogs, some fun, cool stuff that I like to do. But hey, R8's back on the streets. you guys will definitely be seeing me back in action in this bad boy. I'm pumped, excited, glad that it didn't take forever like I thought it was. But just want to give you guys a quick update, man. The Batmobile is back on the streets. So more adventures coming. Once again, guys, hit that like button, subscribe, hit those bell notifications, you guys. And as I'm staring at the Batmobile right now, Skinny's rolled, y'all, and we out.